So the board challenge of this week was about prototype and inheritance. So if you run this snippet, yes, of course. Of course. Okay. A little bit more, maybe. Okay, so if you run this snippet, we have 3 console logs, and we are going to see what is going on. So, the first one, on line 4, we printed Peter 2121. Second one, Peter Annie 2121. Third one, Peter 2121. So, in line 2, we are creating a new object using this method. That what it does is it creates a new object using user1 as prototype. So what does that mean? It means that if we check what is user2 at this point, user2, just a second. So if we check what is user2, it's an empty object. Then how come are we getting user2.name and user2.age? Because the engine on the background is going to look first if user2 has the property we are looking for, and if it doesn't find it, it's going to look for it on the prototype. And in this case, the prototype is user1. That's why when in line 6 we assign the property name to user2, we are getting the user2 name, Annie. So I'm going to do the console log on that before that line to show it. Just clear the console. Now if we check, sorry, we still have Peter yes, because I should do it after. My fault. Okay. So if we check what is user2 now, it's an object with one property name that is, it has the value Annie. So the engine is going to look for the property name in user2, and if it finds it, it's going to return it. What about the age? The age is not there, so it's going to get the age of the prototype, that is user1. And also because of that, when we delete this property in user2, we get back again Peter, because property name is no longer in user2, so it's going to check the prototype. Does the prototype has a property name? Yes, so it's going to get the Peter. That's why we get the Peter. Okay, so afterwards, what I was asking you was if we do, let me clear the console, so I'll go directly to the console. So if we do console.log, empty object, we have the empty object, but this arrow here, this object is going to inherit some properties from the prototype. So if we click here, this is the reference to the prototype. We can see its object. So if we click again, it has all these methods and properties. So if we do, my question was afterwards, we do we have yes dot proto, what is this going to be? So let's check it. It's going to be string, because string, the string prototype is the prototype of all the strings. That's why we can use methods on strings. We have here all the methods. So index of includes all of them. So what is the prototype of string? Will it have a proto property? So let's check. It does have it, and it's object. So basically, this string object inherits all the properties from the object prototype, and then the strings inherit the properties from string prototype, and that was it.
So I got a question.
Okay.
If you did in the original example where you created user2 from user1,
Yes.
if you did user2 dot proto, would that pump out user1?
Yes, if we do, so I'll do it. Yes. Let me just clear this. So, if I do here, for instance, console.log user2 dot proto. Now let's run it. We have the user1 name manage. Okay, so okay, so I'll leave it here then. Stop streaming. Thank you.